Hello, I am creating this video as a way to reach out, potentially get some feedback on best practices, perhaps some of the things that I'm doing. I've built this web scraper using Selenium as well as Beautiful Soup. It's just a web scraper. All it really does is compare a list of events that you need to attend to a web page that lists events. This is the list of calendar events that would need to be attended, and this would be the sample website where there's a list of events. But really, this could be any page with a list of links, and then the links follow to the details of the thing we are clicking. So I implemented it first in a straight ahead script, which really just uses a few Selenium functions and Beautiful Soup. If some event is listed in here and it's also on this page, it's going to go and get the details from it. I do have a secret test info, which is formatted like this, but it's really just how I am storing all of my page locators and private user information, as well as the actual URL to the web page. There we go. So first off, we open a browser and we log in, and from there it starts. As you can see, this one lined up, and we were able to grab all of the details from there and pushing them out as a tuple. So when I launch a browser, we just use the Selenium WebDriver service, Chrome driver service, and it loads the events URL from that page, from that secret JSON file. And I have another function which waits until the browser is ready to go, and we refer to this from inside of other functions. This function, getTestInfo, is really just returning all of those specific things that I don't want to publicly share for security reasons. And it saves them as a dictionary, which can be referenced throughout the test. When I log in, we use those locators as well as stuff from the secret file, so the password and the username. And when we hit this page here the first time, it lists all the events and it stores them as a simple list, which is then used to iterate through. And we can see it's done right here in a very simple way, calling 3 functions and returning a tuple every time we get event details. These things are parsed using Beautiful Soup. I use the HTML parser and just do some simple finds with it. And at the end, we get a CSV file. So I'll just pop that open again. So you can see it's just for each row, we have our links and we have the names. It's all just a pandas data frame, so I could do a lot more with this if I kind of originally started thinking I was going to do this to immediately make Google Calendar events right after, but it wasn't quite the best. Well, it seems like that's a different project, really. Once these things are packaged up, I can have those shipped out and create calendar events in that way. So I just wanted to again ask for a bit of feedback on the process I've gone about this, either linearly without modules, just doing it like this, or the way I have it out here. Maybe there's something I'm not doing Pythonically. And yeah, I just appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.